Ready to learn more about returning a completed Cologuard kit? You're in the right place. Timing matters. You should plan to return your completed kit the same day you collect your stool sample or the very next day. There are a few ways to do that. The kit can be dropped off at any UPS store. To find the nearest one, visit cologuard.com/UPS. You can also visit our website or give us a call at the number on your screen to arrange a home pickup without ever leaving your home. And no matter what option is most convenient for you, the shipping cost is always covered with the return label on the outside of the box. Just be sure to tear off the top label to reveal the return label. I hope this helps. We're here for you when you're ready to return your sample and for anything you might need. Thanks for watching.